Yeah, welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. Now we are discussing about blue-green deployment in Kubernetes. So kindly do share my channel and also do like. So if you do like, relevant people can able to benefitable, and also it will reach up the targeted people. And kindly do follow and subscribe my channel if you are new for this channel. And let's get into topic. Let me share my screen now. Once again, I hope you can see my screen. So now we are
Yes,
discussing
sir.
about blue green deployment. So deployment you have seen, right? Deployment already we have seen. So we have seen deployment. So what is exactly blue green deployment? What is the purpose of it? Okay, blue green deployments are deployment strategy. It is a kind of strategy that mitigates in the sense very clear. Okay, this risk by ensuring that new versions applications can be deployed into the downtime. For example, you have version 1. Okay, so you have version 1, you want to upgrade this to your application to version 2. So at that time you cannot able to um, st- uh, stop the application, right? So your application should be in live.
Yes, sir.
So at the time if you stop the application, it will be affect to the users, correct? Is it correct? So that is the reason we have a concept called blue green. For example, I will tell you, give me 1 second, I think it is not working. Excuse me. Right, this is version 1. Okay, in this version 1, maybe some one application is running. Okay, that application you want to upgrade. Okay, if you want to upgrade one application, so you must have to stop the application. Okay, if you stop the application, what will happen? It will affect the users, correct? So if user affects, no business, correct? No? If you want to upgrade the application, okay, from v1 to v2, okay, so at the time, without any zero downtime, okay, without zero downtime, okay, so at the time we will use blue green deployment. Okay, we are upgrading from version 1 to version 2 without affecting the users, okay, and application. So we are going to use blue green deployment. Any doubts? Hmm? You understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
So we will use this, the blue green deployment will be used in production environment where the live version of the application is currently running, which means version 1. For example, I'm telling, suppose where the live versions in the application is currently running, and green environment is in the non-production environment when new versions are applicable, applications are deployed. When new versions are application deployed, right? So new versions of the application is ready to deploy. It is the deployed to the green environment. Okay, from blue to green. Once the new version is deployed and tested, traffic is switched into green environment. So making it as new production environment. The blue environment then become the non-production environment. Okay, you can use like, you can switch like that, 1 to 2. Okay, so blue green deployments are effective deployment strategy that can be used to deploy new versions of applications with the zero downtime and reduced risk. Okay, by deploying new versions of applications in a separate environment and switching traffic seamlessly, the risk of issue arising in production is significantly will be reduced. Okay, application you can keep in live. The benefits, main benefits of the blue green deployment are zero downtime, correct? Easy rollback, instant rollback, okay? Reduced risk, isolation between versions, okay? Increased, you can also say increased reliability or flexibility, etc., etc. Okay, so you understood, Ashwant?
Yes, sir.
What about you, Yogesh? Concept.
Yes, sir, I'm getting. Yes, sir, I'm
So
getting the concept.
basically, if you have ever observed the lot of applications or services which we use, it says that they are going for the maintenance at this time, okay? And most of the time maintenance of that particular website or web application happens at the night time, right? Why? Maybe it depends upon the region, okay? Or maybe sometimes some companies can think that users are less, so whenever users are less, that effects will be less, right? So nighttime will be done basically, or may they can schedule the updates. In already we have discussed and I have raised this point, always WhatsApp will be up, giving updates at night 2 p.m., sorry, 2 a.m., that, for Indian Standard Time, right? So so you might have observed or not, this will be happen in night time itself,
Yes, sir.
okay? Because that effects should not be experienced by users. Whatever effects, maybe it will be stopped. WhatsApp, maybe it will be stopped, anything will be happen at that time. So no one knows, right? Okay, what if something goes wrong, anything goes wrong? The thing is, why these updates are happening at the night time is because they have less users. That is the main point, of course, right? So it depends upon the regions as well. For suppose, if I'm doing a update for an application which will be used in India, so I'll be doing uh, that update at night time in India, because you'll be having less users now. So what happens is, every time you have a new feature. So let's say you have got one application which is let's say version 2.5. So and now you want to release version 3. At this point you are running server, okay? I'll show 1 second, right? For example, this is blue green deployment, one is version is 2.5, 2.5, fine. So we'll keep this is separate environment and this is separate environment, okay? Whenever green environment, okay, green environment will be upgraded, so whatever users will be switched, okay? Something like this, you got it. One is blue environment, the other one is green environment, okay? So for suppose it is a database, it is connected with the blue environment currently, so it will be upgraded with the green environment, the 2.5 to 3, okay? That will be switched to the database and users will be diverted, okay? Something like this, you understood? So I'm just taking, I have taken this picture for your best understanding. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
it depends upon the region as well, okay? So maybe, I thought, so what I'm telling, version 2.5, and if you want to release the version 3.0, at this point you are running the server which is in live need to be down, okay? And it has to be upgraded, and sometimes it takes time, right? So to upgrade your entire application, maybe, let's say
Yes.
2 seconds or 10 minutes or 1 hour, maybe it will be increased more and more. In the particular time, the users will not be able to use their application, is it right? Correct? And that's why it is
Yes, sir.
happening at the right and night time, especially night time they will use for especially for if it is night time for India, so they will upgrade related to Indian applications at night time itself. If it is foreign at their night time, they will try to upgrade their or they will release the versions night time itself, I feel. You understood? Hope you got it. Okay, so that wasn't a big issue. So we will be doing updates one, okay, maybe year or 6 months or 3 months. And if it is the system goes down for, so let's say 1 hour, that's fine. Okay, we'll update our users. Okay, so that's the old technique, right? So nowadays what we want is instanted updating. So people are expecting instant updating without affecting your current applications. Is it correct? Services, okay, within few minutes or something like that. So updates in a week right now, okay. So that's a, so right, the current situation, current methodologies, some agile methodologies is going, already, right? So that agile methodologies way of doing stuff where you want to get the customer feedback instantly. Now when you want to customer feedback, of course, right? So you want to push new features, and for the purpose you will be upgrading your software frequently. And imagine going 1.5 hour in a week, okay. Your user will not be the will not satisfied with that, okay. So there is no issue, there are two issues. First one is measure one, which is where your customers will face the outage. Basically, um, they will not be able to use your application for the product time. And second issue is developers, of course, right? So there are developers, okay. Operations team, they have sit there, they have to be there. Of course, you tested it properly, you tested entire project, entire package, okay, internally, privately, and everything was working fine, right? Suddenly, at the moment, make it public, right? It was maybe it won't works. So again, you have go back to the older version, again you have to face the outage, okay. So that's the solution. No, what is the sorry, no, what is the exactly solution for this kind of situations? The solution is definitely blue green, switching one environment to another environment, right? So we do really have a paint your application, right? So that's again just a concept that you can do that using the cloud services. Of course, you also need a router, okay, in the front end who will change these directions, right? Switching one deployment to other deployment, blue to green, green to blue, like this. So if users is not saying, I want to go to blue green, so blue, I want to go green, okay. User has no idea about all these things. It's just a router between which you have configured to mention, okay. So which one is live and which one will be ideal, will not be ideal, okay. So now it is not actually a good idea to use both of them some same time, okay, blue and green. If you think, okay, we have two instances, let's use both again, there will be a problem again. So when you want to upgrade it, so when so the users who are using the second instance will be facing issue. So that's it. So from blue green deployment, let me know your thoughts in the now, immediately. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
So switching easily from one environment to another for example, blue environment will be in um, development stage, green will be in a production. So you will be test everything in blue with the so and so version, okay. So if it works fine, So again, you if you want to switch or after releasing the new one, so you will connect with this database to Blue. Okay, simple, within few fraction moment, so you can connect from one environment to other environment. Okay, so yeah, so that's for a proper switching. Okay, so this is all about blue green deployment. In the deployment we have discussed earlier, what it was. Can you remember, guys? Do you remember what deployment we have seen? Canary. Hmm? I think I remember that something we have done this right earlier. Hmm? Ishwant, something we have done. You didn't do?
Rolling that one, sir. Only rolling updates and rollback.
At that time we have discussed about this.
Flash plus.
At that time we
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed about this, right? So this is a kind of. So I'm not telling exactly same, but kind of. So these are all comes under deployments. Rolling updates, rolling. So these are also deployment. So this, see this kind what we have used, deployment.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Deployment.
Yeah, this is a kind of. It is also kind of deployment strategy. Rollout, rolling out, rollouts.
Yes, sir.
Correct. And this is also type. Okay. Blue green deployment is also other type in the deployment. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So that's what. So I will, I think. So can you open your just to open your environment currently, the cluster. So you created a cluster, right? So concept is same. Whenever if you discuss it about 30 minutes or 1 hour, it doesn't make any change. The concept is simple. Okay, the concept is same. So first let's set up with Kubernetes. So we need to create a first blue deployment. Okay, after that, so with services we'll create one service, and after that we'll go for green deployment. So I will share with you one. I think this is enough.
Shall I share the screen, sir?
Huh?
Shall I share the
Yeah,
screen, sir?
you can share the screen, but ensure that you just keep away, keep not getting any noise from your side. Please make sure that. So I hope while I'm talking, are you guys facing any
Yes, sir.
background noises?
No, no, not.
No, right?
No, sir.
Please check your side also, Ashwan. So let us do this. So you can share your screen now, right now. Let me stop this. Okay.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. Yeah. Uh, okay. Create one manifest file. Create YAML file. Maybe you can name it as blue deployment. So I will guide you. Okay. I did not share anything. So if you want, I can share. If you want to edit, but if you do something by your own with your mind, it is easy to keep in your mind and store in your subconscious. So that's why I didn't share. If you want, I can share with you. Not a big deal. Okay. Just give me 1 second. But we have to do some changes in this. You got it. See this? Check once. So let us do some changes in that. Make it simple. Open your chat. Oh, sorry, I was talking in mute. Can you check your messages? take this, let us make it simple, and we'll do some changes in this as well. To copy this, create manifest file. Yeah,
Do I need to make any changes, sir? Yeah.
yeah, we have to. First, API version, apps, right? That's fine. Kind is
Yes,
deployment.
sir.
Metadata, name. Name you can give, no, remove this. First, we need to keep blue, make it blue. So, no, change it as blue. Blue, specifications, replicas, you can keep 3 enough. Okay. And selector, match labels. How can I, 1 minute, 1 second. Selector, match labels, that's fine. App, app, what is app? My iPhone app. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Okay, version. So environ, keep add another thing. Just keep below app. You can keep env, environment. Env blue. Hmm. Blue blue. Okay. Version, we are not mentioning any specific version. Remove that. Right. Template is fine. Metadata. Metadata labels. What is label? App.
My
My.
app.
You
Yeah.
can keep like that only. So version. Okay, remove the version and add env same as above. Blue. Right. What are the specifications? Containers. Containers name is my app. Can you
My
make it as
container.
my app? Wait. My container also fine. And image, my app. Image, what image I have to keep? Can you try this? My app, my iPhone app.
Same, sir.
No, this is different image, right? My iPhone app version 1.0. Make it 1.0. Remove V. Images, that's fine. My iPhone app, right? Okay. Ports, mention port. Ports under image. PORTS ports. Uh, enter iPhone container port. iPhone iPhone should be under P. Mm, P capital container port. 80, you can give 80. That's it. Okay. And also we have to keep the services, right? We need to access it, right?
Yes, sir.
So for that, if you want to access, what are the ways? You can tell me, Ashwan. How many ways to access our ports? How many ways?
In
What is it?
in extra in exposing on browser, sir, node port and load balancer.
Okay, right. And other service?
And within the cluster, we can use cluster IP, sir.
Correct. But what about services? We can use services as well, right?
Services.
Enter this and make 3 Yeah, same like API version, kind metadata, make it copy from top. Mm.
Full, sir, or only this much, sir?
Spec also, till environment, till environment, spec. Take that, we will change. Okay, so API version is V1, version 1 only V1. Okay, kind is services, service. Okay, metadata, what is this? We are doing it for Blue.
Blue.
Metadata name, I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
So
Only
what we
blue or
have
blue
mentioned,
deployment.
top of the deployment.
Blue
What we have,
deployment, sir.
you can make that.
Same is there, sir.
Fine. Blue deployment, that's fine. Spec,
And
you can
replicas, sir.
use. No replicas. We are keeping it is for only services for
Service.
export, right? Remove that. Spec, you can mention selector, app environment as usual.
Yes, sir.
S-
ENV, sir.
In select in spec only selectors, app equal to my app, my hyphen app.
Yes, sir.
Match, remove match labels. I'm asking only selector. Okay, keep like that. Uh, right. And ports, keep ports. Remove all these things till template. From till template to yes. Remove that. Copy ports from. Okay, or else you can mention ports under selector. Under selector you can mention ports. Right. So okay, under ports you mention protocol, hyphen protocol. I hope you got disconnected. I think your network issue, I think so.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
protocol is TCP hyphen ports. Under ports you can mention, under PE you can keep hyphen space protocol. Protocol is TCP IP. Protocol is TCP, capital TCP. Capital C, capital P. TCP will not be smalls. Remove slash IP. Okay. Next one is port 80.
Yes, sir.
No. Wait. Under
Only port I have
TCP,
to use
only port.
target.
Yeah, only port. Remove hyphen. Remove hyphen. Yes. Yeah. So target port is 80. Under the target port, container port is 80 and target port also 80. You understood?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Take copy this. Go to chat GPT, or else you can try. Let us try first. If we get any errors, let us go. Let us use AI. VI. VI. Blue, right? Blue deployment.
Yes, sir.
Paste here. Okay, save this. If cross check once, that's fine. Looks good.
Yes, sir.
Save
Only
it.
image I think we will delete and all.
Not sure. Let us see. If this image will not works, we'll take it from ChatGPT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. kubectl. Apply. Do that. What happened?
Line 8, sir.
Unexpected key. What is that?
Now, YAML line 8 did not find expected key.
Can you open that? Set a new.
One second, sir.
Set a new. Enter 8. Match labels.
Match labels.
Okay. Take this and check in ChatGPT. Wait. There are few issues with AML formatting your Kubernetes resource configuration, especially the indentation under ports service is incorrect and port should be lowercase. Okay. Selector should be aligned correctly. Okay, fine. So image issue is not found. Yeah, fine. Take take and replace. Save it. Yeah. Now apply. Okay. Created. Check once. Kubectl get ports. Can you check with apps environment blue? Just environment. We are using just labels.
Yes, sir.
Can you check with labels? So like kubectl get ports hyphen L. L means label, right? So we are not
Yes, sir.
utilizing this command. That's why you are forgetting. Get ports hyphen L app equal to what we have given my hyphen
My app.
no spaces
This one, no, sir.
my hyphen yeah that is but you are mentioning spaces. Why don't use spaces? Okay, my hyphen app comma. Now you can comma env equal to what we have given blue, right?
Yes, sir.
Env equal to blue. Try this command. Enter
Blue,
blue.
sir.
Yeah, enter this. Okay, yeah. So why we are mentioning this? Because so now you have only three ports which we got created, but in the production environment you have thousands of ports, hundreds of ports.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to filter it out, you have to use label. Okay, labels and
Yes, sir.
selectors are main purpose of that only.
Selectors.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So but I think image is not working fine. That's why it is showing 0 out of 1.
Pull up, yes, sir. Image pullback off.
That is a issue. So so it should not be like that. So we have to resolve this. Mhm. SVC, use SVC. That's okay, but image is not working.
Image is not working, sir.
Okay, ask ChatGPT, it's not working. Image. Go ChatGPT directly, mention the prompt like image is not working fine, getting pulled back off. Give correct image for blue green deployment. Blue deployment. Not mention. Don't mention green. Remove green. Hmm. What ChatGPT is telling? It is to
In
take a Nginx,
engine,
but that my intention is not like that. My intention is not to work on the image. My intention is to upgrade the image, right? From version 1 to version 2. For example, if I take version 1 for the blue, I need to take version 2 for green, right?
yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, fine. That's okay. But okay. What is that? The image tag my iPhone app one matches the version you want to deploy.
So
Yes.
this is for custom, sir.
Uh,
This is for custom. This is for
hmm.
custom application, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
We're using custom application.
Hmm. Yeah, but we don't have a custom, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Okay. So what we have to do before doing this, we have to create an image version 1, and after that we have to push that into Docker Hub. Again, that we have to update it. Mm. So we'll do one thing for Nginx. Mm, for blue we can take Nginx, and green we will take Apache 2 like this. Shall we do like this?
Okay, sir. Our
So that,
Nginx, will there be not any version, sir, in Docker?
so can you open Docker once? Check Nginx. Hmm. You have to log in. Okay, login. Check here. Nginx. Enter. Okay. Click on it. Any versions it is showing? Is there any versions? Oh, it is lot of versions in this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take another tab. Go back into second. In second, go back. Take an ingress. What is
Here
this?
there are not
Nothing is
tab.
there. Pull Nginx ingress. Okay. Versions, no versions in this. I think community called it something.
No versions is there, sir. Here.
Okay. Mhm. So this these two we can use. Let's try.
Yes, sir.
So blue you can keep on plain Nginx. Okay. Image, but Nginx port demo that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Copy this and paste in your notepad.
I cannot use select all, sir.
Hmm?
It is going for another page. I cannot select. I will change here.
Hmm. So copy this also and you take for a do some changes for green as well. Okay.
Yes, sir. But green we have not created, sir.
So almost similar. Okay. Just
Okay,
we
okay,
need
sir.
to change the names and image. Blue deployment, and also you can mention down bottom, mention green deployment.
Same code, no, sir.
Same. So in green deployment you can mention apps v1 deployment to in metadata name should be changed as green, and replicas keep one replica, or replicas you can keep only one, no need all these things. Keep replicas 0 only.
This one, sir, replica.
Make it 0, yeah, no need all those things. Okay. Selectors, match labels, environment should be green, right? Changed, and templates,
Yes, sir, to change.
labels, templates, my green changed. Okay, my container, nginx you have to change here, right? Nginx ingress, green must be ingress, right?
So the voice is breaking, sir.
Oh, what I'm telling is,
Hello.
for green,
Yes, sir.
green must be ingress, right?
Yes, sir.
Image must be changed.
Container name shall it be same, sir?
Hmm?
Container
Yeah, this
name
you can keep like
for
that. Yeah,
green.
that is only image. Okay. Port ingress port might be 80. Yeah, keep like as it is. Okay. Come
Sir,
down.
this is for container name I have to change, no, sir.
You can keep one and two. Blue should be one and it is should be two, like this. You can keep, it's not a big deal. That is for our understanding, right? So you need to identify
Yes, sir.
green deployment. Why you didn't change this? Green, come down.
Service, sir.
Okay, service. Okay, fine. That's fine. So now change in blue first. Try to apply whether this image is working fine with Nginx or not. Let us do that.
Okay,
Delete the
sir.
pods. Exit. Delete the pods. Copy three at a time. I'm telling that. Yeah,
Yes,
space.
sir.
Again, copy second one. The other one. Enter. Yes. Now,
Service updated, no, sir?
yes. Delete the service. Kubectl will get SUC. Mm. Kubectl delete SVC. Blue hyphen deployment. Enter. Okay. So now you can now you can create blue green deployments. No, did you change that in manifest file? Recent one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let, let, let me check, sir. Only
So,
container name is not changed, sir.
yeah, that's why you have to cross check. One.
Yes, sir.
Now apply. Enter. Kubectl will get ports. It's working. Terminating. Okay, that is old one. Yeah, it is working.
Yes,
Fine.
yes, sir, it's working.
It's working. And try to create for the green. So blue green deployment, you might get forget all these pods. If you forget everything, also not a big deal. But you have to don't forget the concept. Okay, why we are doing this? What is the purpose of blue green? So don't forget this actually. Hmm. One second. Cross check once.
Environment green selector, my app, green deployment, service, API version V1,
Hmm.
image ingress, container 2, label is green, environment is green. Replicas for this one is 0, sir. For that one, it was 3.
Ah, that's okay. That is intentional. Like a, that's okay. Save it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is correct.
Hmm. Save it.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Kubectl will apply. Create. Get ports.
Yes, sir.
Kubectl will get ports. Can you check with labels?
But green one we not get, I think.
Why? Green created, right? Cross check. That's why you just create with the labels. So you have mentioned zero. It won't get right. Correct.
Where, sir?
So you mentioned
Replicas,
replicas
yeah.
three,
Replicas,
replicas
yes, sir.
zero only, right? Why it won't
Yeah.
create?
Yes, sir.
Replicas you kept zero. So that's why I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Can you check with labels? What
Yes,
is
sir.
the command? Kubectl get pods hyphen L app equal to what we have mentioned.
My
My
app
app.
only, sir.
Okay, okay, comma. Environment should be green, right? Env equal to green.
Yes, sir.
Okay, enter. Yes, that's okay. No resources found. Why? Why? Tell me. Why no resources found? Tell
Rep-
me.
replicas we have given zero answers, so it
Correct.
is
So now we have to scale up.
replicas.
So now we have to scale up how? Kubectl
Yes,
scale.
sir.
This is the command. Kubectl scale deployment. Kubectl scale deployment. Deployment green. Green, right? Green hyphen replicas.
Environment is green, sir. Like, we have to
Yes,
give
yes, yes.
YAML.
No, no, no. That's fine. Hyphen replicas equal to replicas spelling is equal to keep anything. Maybe if you want three, make it three equal to three. After this, let us see. Enter. Yeah, what is this? No object passed to scale. Kubectl scale deployment grid replicas equal to 3. Okay.
Like a green, we have to give any pod name or deployment name, sir. Green deployment. Full.
Mhm. Can you check with can you
Shall I try with this, sir?
what is it? Kubectl scale deployment
Green
green hyphen
deployment.
deployment.
The
Yeah,
deployment
try this,
name.
try this, try this.
The deployment
It
scales, sir.
will get scaled, right? Can you check once
Yeah, I got.
with
Yes,
the
sir.
labels? I'm telling. Kubectl get to pods hyphen L get pods hyphen L.
App
Yeah,
app equal
green.
to
Yeah, this.
my app and
Yes,
app.
enter it. Enter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's not working.
The status is error, sir.
That is what.
Image may not work. Uh,
That is the issue. Okay, can you go back to ah?
or
Hmm.
shall I delete the pods and in the YAML file only shall I give three replicas, sir?
No, no, no. Issue is not with replicas. Issue is with image only. Here. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Image is not working. That is mean. Okay. Take other image. So if you have a custom image, we can use. We can change any names. We can change any versions. Check once. Nginx. You can make it as Nginx v1 like that. You can in global search mention Nginx v1 colon v1, not like that. Mhm. Go to ChatGPT and ask. I need version 1, version 2, Nginx version 1 and version 2. I need I need images, Nginx images version 1 and version 2. Got it. Hmm. All right. Take this.
For green, should I keep Nginx this one, sir?
Which one?
1.19.
Yeah, that's what he gave, right?
But here he gave both for blue only, sir.
Blue,
This one
blue.
is for blue. We both blue they have given, but we are trying to
That's
do
okay. We
for
can change. We can make it change blue as a green. Second one.
yes, sir. Or else we can only change image, no, sir. Image name in the YAML file.
Yeah, you can change images only. Then first is 1.19, next to 1.20. I think so. Open the ChatGPT and cross check once.
Yes, sir. 1.19 is one and 1.20
20.
is for version 2.
Hmm. So labels also he has given a proper labels. Okay, for blue and green. So version 1 and version 2. He has given blue hyphen 1. So for
Hyphen
second
B1, yes,
one,
sir.
hmm,
Yeah, it's given only for blue one, sir. Green is not given.
green not given.
Like
We
for
can
Nginx,
you can use it
yeah,
as a green, right?
yes, sir.
Green hyphen V2
Yes.
we can keep like that, right?
Shall I copy whole code, sir? Then
Hmm. Hmm. Do that.
in blue deployment, I will paste blue ones.
Hmm. Take this. Paste. Change it as green. That is okay. Green is green. And here, yeah, green. Yeah, here version environment is metadata,
Yes, sir.
right? And service, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I have to delete every pod or shall I replace only, sir?
We can replace it, right?
Yes, sir.
Save. So what is the command for this after this?
kubectl replace
Uh,
ifnf
kubectl
blue deployment.
replace hyphen f, enter. Yeah, replaced. Okay. No matter about what is it, the from servers not found, replacing blue green deployment order. Oh, not found. It's okay. Can you check once whether it is changed or not? Kubectl reports. What is that? It's
This
running.
is for
That's
before
okay.
one,
Which
sir.
is running,
This
which means 12
this we
minutes.
are running for 12 minutes. It is replaced, not showing, sir.
Yeah, it is okay. Try for green.
Name service name should be changed, I think, sir. If it is replaced, green I will change.
Change it. Copy. Service name in the sense YAML file name, right? Product
Yes, sir.
cross check all. Save it. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Uh, kubectl
Should I use replace or apply, sir?
replace it. Actually, what it is asking, whatever the file name which you are trying for the new one, with the new one, that name
Yeah.
should be YAML name should be changed different.
Okay.
That's what it is asking. You understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
blue deployment and blue deployment. You mentioned only one name and just replaced. But if you would have mentioned in other file, that's what it is telling. Can you? You should have pasted that green deployment in other YAML file. That's what it is asking, and it
Okay.
will be replaced. So when you use replace, so you are using the same file. That's
Same
what
file.
not
Okay.
file.
Okay.
Yeah, you are using same file. That's why
Now,
it is
in
telling not
case
found. Now I'll tell you.
here we can
Can you
use
open VI
vi hyphen v1,
deployment
no,
two?
sir.
Anything you can keep two or something like that. Green deployment two like this. You can keep mention like that. Deployment
Yes, sir.
two. Hmm. Now open. You can paste here. Save. So now what we'll get is once you replace this, first file automatically will be deleted.
Yes, sir.
Kubectl replace hyphen f green something hyphen 2 enter. What is that? Not found. So error when replacing green deployment hyphen 2 deployment dot apps version 2 not found. Delete that
Like the
first one.
name was different, I think, sir. Deployment name. Here we have given, no, sir. Here deployment name this one.
Hmm.
In previous YAML file we have given only green
Hmm.
deployment,
That's why delete
so
the
it
first
is not
file.
taking.
Delete the first file and just simply create apply mention apply. So both are it is checking cross checking those two files, but it is not finding the same name. Okay, kubectl
Now I have to delete
pods delete pods.
what's
Yes. Mm. Delete pod space delete green also.
I think two times it has tested.
No problem. It will once it deleted first one and it will show not found. No problem.
Green also shall I add there only,
Yes,
sir?
delete here. Yeah, no problem. All are pods only, right? Enter. Yes, all got deleted. Now, mm, spelling wrong. Delete. Enter. Yeah, do from scratch.
Shall I delete all these files, sir?
Yes, delete it. rm-rf dot.
Dot, sir.
Hmm. Enter.
Dot is skipping directory or something.
Okay. Star you can use. Current files, right? You want to delete current files?
Yes, sir. All three.
Hmm. Check once ls. Yeah, cleared.
After R, it is cleared, sir.
Hmm.
It is 9 seconds. This one running, sir. This is the latest one.
Hmm.
But these deployments are also running. I think we have to delete deployment also, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why.
Version V1's pods are running, sir.
Hmm.
Blue deployment.
Hmm. Okay. Fine. So
Now should I
what
create
about
green
delete?
ones?
Yes. Deployment hyphen v2 or something 2. It's okay. What you have given earlier?
Only blue deployment I've given,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Yes. Yeah, copy. Paste here. Check cross check image again. Image
Image is
1.20.
1.20.
That's
The
fine.
container name is same in both, sir.
Okay, not a big deal. Not a problem. Check once. It's
Running, sir.
working. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So blue created and green created now. Okay. Mm, so verify it. So kubectl describe service blue. Service blue. Pipe. Pipe symbol. Use pipe symbol. No space. Mention space. Yeah. Grep. Grep space. Capital E endpoints. You know endpoints, right? Endpoints. Enter. Hello. Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
you
Yogesh,
are
can you
audible,
hear
sir.
me? Yeah, what happened to him?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think he got stuck somewhere.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Hello, not able,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, now it's audible. Why? What happened? I think your network
No,
issue.
sir. You were hearing. I was able to hear you both, sir.
Oh, okay. Endpoints you got right. Can you check with this? Can you try to access?
Browser, sir.
Hmm. We did not keep anything, but it's endpoints given in the sense it's working. Can you check once? Inbound rules. Is that your traffic's all open or not?
Nodes are control plane, sir. Nodes only.
Notes only, right?
Yes, sir. All traffic is
Can you take
open from
no, just don't
my
touch any security groups. So don't
yes,
touch any default one. Whatever we have mentioned in the cluster, add another one. Take all traffic again, and here you mentioned anywhere. Okay, just to save it. That's it. Mm. Okay, refresh. Other IP addresses also are there, right?
yes, sir.
Can you check with that also? So three replicas, right?
Yes, sir.
So you opened for three nodes. How many nodes you have? Three nodes, right?
Two nodes, sir.
Mm. Did you open for two?
My security group is same for both IMOs, sir.
Mm.
This
Okay.
is 0E75. I
Mm.
opened for this one, sir. Like custom all traffic. This is what which I opened, sir.
Okay.
For another instance, I will check, sir. Like for this one, I opened one B. Both security groups are same, sir. If I open here, it will be changed there. All traffic is open, sir.
All right. That's okay. 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 Maybe it will take time.
Yes, sir.
So can you check in ChatGPT how to access endpoints? Access endpoints in browser.
It's telling to use Notepad, sir.
Hmm. But we did
In
not mention,
service,
right?
yes, sir. In service,
Mm-hmm.
we did not mention.
Yes. We did not mention, right?
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's working fine then. So notepad we did not mention for accessing from outside. That's okay. It will
Yes.
works. So 80. So we only with the description in check. Can you go to the description once
Where, sir?
in description? I mean console. You have described right now. You have
Only
described.
describe a blue
Mm-hmm.
SVC documents.
Okay. So just so these are endpoints they have given, right? Which means three
Yes,
endpoints we got.
yes, sir. We can change the this one, sir. Services.
Can you check for green also? Green also 80 applied, right? Yes. Actually, what I tried is, so without asking ChatGPT, what I tried is first of all, first blue, whatever the blue deployment is there, for that blue deployment, I have tried to give three replicas, and green deployment I have tried to give zero. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So after that, what I tried is I tried to use some command called scale
Yes,
with
sir.
the replicas 3. So then
Yes,
by
sir.
doing this, it will
It
be
worked.
upgraded,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Using so and so version, right? So which means
Yes, sir.
first one is blue, actually I kept ready, and second one is green with the
Yes, sir.
same Nginx, same application. Nginx in the sense currently we are using here application is Nginx, correct?
Yes, sir.
With version v2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First one is three replicas, second one is zero. I kept ready. So I need, whenever I need, at that time I just need
You
to
can
scale.
scale.
Correct.
Scale.
That's
Yes, sir.
what I tried. It's working actually. So you have to do
Yeah,
like
the
this.
image was not working, sir.
At that time image was
When we
not working,
scaled.
but after that, after
Yeah.
taking from ChatGPT, the image is working, right? So
Yes,
1.20.
sir.
Correct. So that's what we
Yes, sir.
have tried. This is the way we have to do. So how you are
Yes, sir.
upgrading your application in the sense by doing this process. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So you can try like that. Can you try? Second time when you are trying that, so first one is blue deployment. You can keep replicas 3, and green deployment make it as a 0. Okay. After that
Yeah.
I tried. Uh, I told you right one command kubectl
Yes, sir.
scale deployment
Scale
green
deployment.
deployment whatever deployment name,
Select
and
this deployment,
hyphen
sir.
hyphen replicas equal to 3. Huh?
Yes, sir. Shall I delete this deployment?
Why you
I
have
will
to do?
scale
You
this.
can scale it up now only. Kubectl scale
Yeah,
deployment
using scale
green. You
deployment.
can make it as 6. Try
Yes, sir.
now. Kubectl. What is the deployment name for the green? I don't know. So make check once. Check the name of the green deployment name. I didn't remember. That is only
This one
right.
only, sir.
We can
Yeah,
make it
this one. Green deployment.
green deployment hyphen v2.
Yes, sir.
Mm. The scale deployment. Okay. Hyphen v2 something. Hyphen v2. Hyphen replicas equal to 6. Enter. Right. Check once. Cross
Yes, sir.
check. How many?
Scaled, sir.
Scale right. Can
This
you
one.
describe
Yes, sir.
once? You need to get the IP address as well. Describe.
This one only endpoints, no, sir.
Yeah, green endpoints. Yes. Enter. How many?
Plus
Three
three
more.
more it is showing, sir.
Yeah, it is
I
there.
think I have to increase. Yeah.
You have to increase. Your screen is yeah, it is showing. That's not a big deal. It's not a big deal, but it is 6 only, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. So which means scaling up. We are upgrading without disturbing any your application. So this is how
Yes,
we
sir.
have to do the blue green deployment. By using blue, we are using as a green, okay, and upgrading our application from version 1 to version 2 without disturbing any applications. Correct? So we did not
Yes, sir.
stop any application in the live itself. So we can upgrade your application like this. Okay, we are scaling up, right?
Yes, sir.
The same image only. We are keeping everything same. Image version changing, and also if you want to change the your scales, and also you can change the, what is that, replicas.
Replicas.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this is how we can do. All right, that's fine. Okay, next, maybe next class we'll see secrets and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So next time, if you try, make it as a zero. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
while you are doing practice, first make it as a blue 3 as replicas, and second one green for 0. After that, using scale, you can use replicas 3. Okay, so it will change, which means lively itself, it is working right without zero
Yes, sir.
downtime. Using scale,
Yes, sir.
zero downtime, you are able to
It's
increase
working.
your application, increasing, you are releasing your new applications, you are
Yes, sir.
upgrading your application without downtime. That's what.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
For exposing, we can use this, no, sir. Notepad.
yeah, you can use notepad, yeah, definitely. But what
Yes, sir.
in but live you can't do the changes, right? This is sample
Yeah.
application for Nginx, so
Yeah. Yes,
you
sir.
will get welcome to Nginx only. If
Yeah.
you
Yes,
use
sir.
version 2 also, welcome to Nginx only, you will get it. But
Yes,
if you
sir.
change in index.html, so then there itself you can make it as welcome to Nginx v1 and welcome to Nginx
Yes,
v2
sir.
in index.html. Then you can find the change, otherwise you will see the same page for both.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. Okay, guys, so this is all about blue green deployment. So you have seen rollbacks also for version updates. Correct? So this is also the other method in the deployments. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so do
Can I?
practice. So we'll
Yes, sir.
catch up in next class. Okay, what did you say?
Can I stop the cluster, sir?
Yeah, you can stop it, not a big deal. Okay, if
Yes,
it
sir.
is there, if we have other class, I will let you know before connecting. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you Ashwant, thank you Yogesh, we'll see you in next class.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Bye.